BB77. Welcome back. How y'all doing? Anybody new here and you are interested in what's on my nails, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay, without further ado, I'm gonna get right into it. I went to the nail place. I got some acrylics on my nails and they were very safe, you know, because I had some trepidation about going into the nail place with everything that's going on, but they had the social distancing and everybody was wearing masks. All the workers were wearing masks, and then they had partitions. And when I went in to get my nails done, there were only 2 ladies in the salon and they were getting pedicures, so they were very far away, and so, you know, I felt safe. Well, anyway, I got the acrylic done on my nails, and I had my favorite pink color that I always wear. I love this color so much, and that's what I had on. I was trying to stretch out, you know, summer for a little while longer because I love summer. Anyway, so I'm going to show you what I did to my nails, and y'all be gentle with me because I am not a professional. I just want to try to learn how to do my nails myself. So I did my own design, and let me show you what it looks like. Okay, these are the designs that I did. I used 3 colors, and the silver, I used the gray color, I used my favorite pink color right here, and this burgundy color, and also just the silver accent on the side. And then I went over my nails with a clear top coat. And so that's it, ladies. Let me know what you think about me doing my own nail designs because I'm trying not to go to the salon. I want to learn how to do my own nails. So I think I did an okay job. Maybe with practice I'll do a little better, but I think they came out okay for my very first time. Honestly, I never did any kind of nail designs myself. Okay, let me show you this one more time. Okay, you like the shape? That's my favorite shape. Anyway, that is it. Let me know what you think about how I did. Be nice. Okay, thank you. And if you're new here, come back. Bye, lovelies. I'll see you in the next video.